Hi there, I'm Emma from ProvenSignals. A buy higher signal was just sent in our free binary signals telegram. So, we enter a binary option higher with 3-minute expiration. If you want to give our signals a try, join our Telegram channel. And the binary broker we use and recommend to trade binary options also give new traders a free $10,000 demo account to try all platform benefits. You can find the links in the description to learn more. We see a very strong price move higher from our entry point, and it looks like we found the bottom. We often see this because the signals are based on one of our most effective and profitable binary option strategies. We recommend you use these signals to trade binary options. But some of our followers also use them for scalping on the 1-minute time frame. So you can follow the signals on their own, or use them as confirmation for your scalping trading strategy. But the 3 key advantages of trading with binary options are: 1. You have the opportunity to profit regardless of market direction. You can both buy or sell depending on the signals. 2. Binary trading is a simple higher and lower question. So binary options trading can be a good introduction to the markets if you are a beginner. Likewise, binary trading can be an essential part of your trading plan if you are a more experienced trader. Third, define risk as always knowing the 2 possible outcomes before you trade, allowing you to manage risk effectively. Price is in the money and a good distance from our entry point. But because of the strong price move after our entry, this is most likely just a healthy pullback before another strong price move higher. This is support here, because this level has previously acted as resistance, but once broken, it will probably act as support. Especially when we have our Telegram signal, confirming there is demand and that a price move higher is more likely. And just like that, we make a higher high. It's important to remember to stay disciplined and to manage your risk. You need to stay disciplined with the back-tested and proven plan to make trades like this, even if your last trade was a loss. And never risk more than 5% of your account per trade. This will protect you if you get a losing streak. Just a few seconds away from the expiration of the binary option. And this was a sniper entry, higher signal at the bottom, and almost only buying from that entry point. Nice profit, and now we just wait for the next trading signal in our free Telegram channel. This is an effective strategy, and we're excited for you to give it a try. Click the link in the description to join our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more.